In the realm of network devices, rommon, or ROM monitor mode, is your emergency exit. It's like a recovery mode for routers, switches, and firewalls. Imagine your device's operating system crashes, or the configuration goes haywire. What do? You enter rommon mode. Rommon mode lets you manually boot the device, load a new operating system, or reset the configuration. It's like the superhero of network devices, swooping in when you're in the thick of a crisis. Not just that, it's also a powerful tool for troubleshooting. With rommon mode, you can diagnose and fix problems that could be causing your device to malfunction. So, the next time your network device starts acting up, remember rommon mode. It's the safety net that's got your back. For more on rommon and other networking topics, check out www.batanetworks.com, your one-stop guide to all things IT. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.